Hi, Tom here. In this course, we'll be looking at how to build workflows in Intercom. Workflows automate repetitive tasks for your business that can be customer-facing or work in the background to help your team. Customer-facing workflows are those that your customers interact with, such as a chatbot that automatically suggests helpful articles to resolve a query. Whereas background workflows remain visible only to your team, like this one, where conversations from new customers are automatically tagged as important and routed straight to your onboarding team with a note added for context. By creating targeted workflows for different audience categories like new users, premium users or freemium users, or any category you require, you can create personalized journeys that deliver real value for your customers. You build workflows in our visual builder, where you can choose from a range of triggers, content, and actions to create any kind of automation you need. Anywhere from a workflow to close inactive conversations automatically so your team doesn't have to, or one that tags conversations containing particular keywords. Or more complex, such as a workflow that triages all incoming conversations based on the data you set. Or even connecting your workflow to an external system, so it can handle things like cancelling orders without the need for a human response. But let's start simple. Even a collection of simple workflows can have a powerful impact for your team and customers. Once we've explored the basics, we'll cover more complex workflows in our next course.